a freelancer, time is money, and every hour you spend on mundane, boring tasks is one less hour that you have to spend on actual client work that pays you actual money. Or even, just spending time with your loved ones. So why not let AI take some of the weight off your shoulders? In this video, we're going to explore how AI can help you increase your productivity and achieve better work-life balance, because that's what we all want. So whether you're a seasoned freelancer or just getting started, buckle up and let's get into the video. So the first thing you can use AI for is actually to automate some admin tasks. Things like sending invoices or payment reminders to your clients can take up a lot of time and mental effort, and tools like QuickBooks can help you out with this. This will free up some of your time and mental energy so that you can spend that working with actual clients and doing the service that you want to be doing. The second thing AI can help you with is to write better. If you've seen my proposal review series, I'll have it linked there in the corner. You'll know that a pet peeve of mine is bad grammar mistakes. And even if English is not your native language, it's not mine, that's not an excuse anymore, because we have things like Grammarly that help you proofread your stuff before you send it out to clients so you look more professional and trustworthy. Now, the third thing AI can help you with is with multitasking. I'm usually not one to recommend multitasking, but if you're working on some focus tasks and you get an idea, or you remember something that you don't want to forget later, but you don't want to do that task right away, you can ask an assistant like Siri or Alexa to remember that for you, write a note, set a reminder, anything like that. I also really like to dictate my messages sometimes, or even my outlines for my videos. I just feel like ideas flow better that way. Am I the only one? Now, the next thing you can use AI for is to generate ideas. ChatGPT, obviously, we all know it by now, is great with this. In fact, I actually used it to help draft this video's outline. I just asked it for different ideas, chose the ones that I agreed with, and then added my own experience and twist to it. And you know what's fun? You can have AI do part of your work. Obviously not the whole thing, because you still want to offer some value to your clients. You don't want AI to fully take over. But for example, you can use AI to draft a social media post, if you're like a social media manager, of course, that you can then edit and deliver to your clients. And I'm saying social media posts, you can do blogs, you can do whatever it is that you do. My mind immediately goes to social media posts. I'm sorry. You can do this with ChatGPT. I actually have done that before, but Content Studio, if you don't know, they have an AI feature that will help you generate captions, hashtags, and images, if I'm not mistaken. And it's actually not too bad. It's a good starting point for your posts. And one other thing it can do is it can pull post ideas from an RSS feed. So if you or your client have a blog or something like that, it can pull ideas from the RSS feed and turn them into posts or post drafts that you can then use to populate your content calendar. This is good if you're posting to Twitter, for example, where you usually need a lot more content. Now I want to ask you, if you could automate one thing in your business with AI, what would you have it do? Let me know that in the comments. And by the way, if you're afraid AI will take over and will take your freelance job, don't worry just yet. For example, I could have AI write my posts, even create my images, but I have to be the one to create the social media strategy, give it prompts, and then edit what it spews out. So don't worry, use AI to help you, not to do your work, and you should be fine. Now, in the meantime, if you want to learn how you can write better Upwork proposals without the use of AI, check out this video right here where I review one of your guys' proposals. I'll see you right there.